Google's Pixel 11 Pro XL may have just leaked in the wild, and with the official launch only days away, this could be our closest look yet. After months of renders, rumors, new colors highlight, and even possible price increases, the Pixel 11 series has surprisingly avoided major hands-on leaks. But now, that's changed. A fresh pair of images appears to show the Pixel 11 Pro XL in real life, revealing the sleek all-matte black version we've already seen in renders. The camera lenses look noticeably more pronounced, although the lighting could be making them appear larger. And then there's the mysterious highlight LED, which looks slightly bigger than a traditional flash, but what exactly can it do? The images were reportedly shared by Pixel News Hub on X and are said to come from carrier demo units. That actually makes sense, because with the launch just around the corner, these units would likely be heading to stores for display purposes. But here's where things get even crazier. Reports claim the Pixel 11 Pro XL has already appeared on the black market before Google has even officially unveiled it. Some units are reportedly being sold for around $1,700, while the expected US starting price is around $1,299. That huge difference could definitely convince most buyers to wait for the official launch. But for impatient Pixel fans, early access might be too tempting to resist. With real units already appearing before launch, are we about to see the Pixel 11 Pro XL completely exposed before Google takes the stage? Google is turning up the hype, and the latest Pixel 11 Pro teaser is impossible to ignore. The biggest highlight is the breathtaking Pixel Glow RGB LED lighting, beautifully integrated into the camera module's flash. With its futuristic glow and premium design, the Pixel 11 Pro instantly stands out, making fans even more excited for its official debut. Earlier this month, Google officially announced its Made by Google event for August 12th, giving fans their first look at the stunning Pixel Glow effect. Now, a fresh teaser reveals the sleek silhouette of the Pixel 11 Pro once again, showing off its mesmerizing RGB lighting and proving that Google is ready to make a bold statement in the flagship market. Google calls the Pixel 11 Pro the next obvious move, highlighting how millions already rely on Gmail, Google Maps, Google Search, Google Calendar, Google Docs, and Google Gemini every day. If you're already part of Google's ecosystem, the Pixel 11 Pro could be your perfect next upgrade. New leaks suggest Google could drop the 128GB base storage due to the DRAM shortage, potentially raising the starting price. However, the new 2nm Tensor G6 chip is expected to deliver faster performance, smarter AI, and better battery efficiency. The Pixel 11 Pro is rumored to feature upgraded main and telephoto cameras for better photos, but its 42-megapixel selfie camera could be replaced by a 13-megapixel sensor, leaving fans wondering if Google's AI can make up for the lower resolution. A striking new design, dazzling Pixel Glow RGB lighting, next-generation AI, and upgraded cameras make the Pixel 11 Pro look like one of the most exciting Android phones of the year.